It's like super quick. Look how fast that is. That's crazy. Wow, that's faster than the AirPods, not even gonna lie.
We got OnePlus Buds Z in house. Listening to my music is blaring, know what I'm talking about. 20 hours music play back, yep, I just said that. About to unbox first impressions, let's have a chit chat. See, charge me up, 10 minutes ready, let's go. Getting AirPods vibes, Galaxy Buds on the low, yep, I see. Now you've been waiting for this now when it's here, man. Let's get into this video. See, squad, the coast is clear. Squad.
What up, squad? C-Kid Tech here, man, back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, man, I'm hyped. Why am I hyped, y'all? Because I finally got the OnePlus Buds Z in-house. Now, you guys have been wanting this video. You guys have been wanting me to get these in. I've been hyped for these ever since they actually announced them because I am a fan of the OnePlus Buds Wireless Z. And so I definitely have those. So I'm going to be comparing those two as well in a later video. So definitely make sure you guys hit that subscribe button as well as your notifications turned on for that. But nonetheless, man, today's video, guys, I am going to be pairing this up, going to be unboxing it for you guys, showing you guys everything you guys get in the box, as well as giving you guys my first initial impression, doing a listening test with some music I got saved on my device here. And other than that, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, before we actually get into that, guys, I want to let you guys know I am running a giveaway of a custom pair of Galaxy Buds Plus that I actually have right here in my hand. So if you guys want an opportunity to be able to win that, I'll link that video for you guys down in the description section below so you guys will know exactly what you need to do to be entered to win a custom painted pair. This is a one-of-one, y'all, of a pair of custom Galaxy Buds Plus that I personally painted that I'm giving away to you guys. And so I'm thinking about actually doing that with these, but you know, we'll see. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and hop right into this. So now they got a nice little pull tab here for me to be able to rip this off. Ooh, okay, all right, here we go. Got a nice little pill shape. Now, I am surprised. Yeah, these kind of look very similar to the Galaxy Buds Plus. I'm not gonna lie, it's got the same like gloss style material that's on the top of these that you get. Now, I will say weight-wise, it's got a nice little balanced weight to it. It's not too heavy, not too light. So first off, here is the case right here is what you guys are gonna get. We're gonna go ahead and put that off to the side. We got some paperwork. All right, we got some extra ear tips, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you got the right fit. And then we also have a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, these also are gonna include OnePlus's fast warp technology that's gonna be used with this cable right here. So if you guys wanna do that, you got the cable for it right here. And we got some booklets and different things like that that you ain't got to worry about reading. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Buds Plus themselves. Now, case-wise here, you have a gloss style case. Now, I will say it is a little bit longer. Let me see if I can find the Galaxy Buds Plus, not the custom painted one. Let me see, because I have another pair someplace. All right, now in comparison to something like the Galaxy Buds Plus, you guys can see the Galaxy Buds Plus is a little bit shorter, and the OnePlus Buds here are a little longer when it comes to size-wise. And I'll throw up some B-roll so you guys can see it up close. But in regards to like the gloss that's on them, they're literally about the same in regards to the quality and the feel of them. But again, that's going to be a separate video in itself. On the back, you do get the port on the back for the USB-C charging port, and then you also get a pairing button that's here also on the back to be able to pair to different devices. But let's go ahead and open these up, and here we go. We got the Buds right here that you guys can see. Now, the stems of these, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Now, when it comes to the look and design of these, they're giving me throwback AirPods vibes when I see these. Now, they are smaller in regards to like the top portion here that you guys are going to actually put into your ears. You have your connectors here that's going to be used for charging these up once they're inside the case. And then on the bottom of here, you got your microphone. On the back here, you got a nice little, this is going to be like the touchpad. You're going to be able to control different gestures and different things like that, which I'll go ahead and cover. And I'm probably going to cover that in a later video. But all in all, these are the Buds themselves. So let's go ahead and put these in my ear. And let's go ahead and get these paired up. Now, when it comes to pairing these up, you must keep the Buds in the case for the initial use. So now I see it here in my other device. Go ahead and pair these bad boys up. All right, got a nice little chime sound. So let's go ahead and try a first listening test, and let's see what it actually sounds like. Play fam, I took you up under my wing and you just stayed there. Never got on a sad face. See me these days. All right, so one thing I want to do here real quick. Now, the first song, I'm not gonna lie, they didn't sound bad, but one of the things I want to do is something that I've now been doing with these is let me go ahead and switch out the ear tips to the larger ones just to get a better seal fit. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and we're gonna try and play another song again. All right, so now I got the larger ones on, and let's go ahead and play a song and see how it sounds. When they say they doing all this and all that, hey, I'm in the trenches, relax. How do you not play the little boy in the club? All right, so the next thing I want to test out real quick, I want to test out some of the controls just to see how well those work. So if I double tap, all right, so that skips me to the next track. Triple tap. So how do you go back? Can I go back in song? All right, so that's kind of weird. But if I triple tap, you guys can see here, if I pull them out of my ear, pauses the music, put them back in my ear, it's like super quick. Look how fast that is. That's crazy. Wow, that's faster than the AirPods, not even gonna lie. All right, so let me take these out of my ears, and I want to talk about these a little bit. Now, the first thing I gotta say is in regards to the fit. Now, the fit to me, the fit is okay. I don't have anything negative to say really about the fit. Now, I do believe that changing these out did help with that as far as getting a more sealed in fit. So I definitely recommend you guys try each one of the ear tips to see which one is actually gonna be the best for you. Now, when it comes to sound quality, I gotta say, the OnePlus Buds Z did not disappoint, not one bit. Now, I'm still gonna do like more testing with this as far as like call quality, all of that. But overall, man, just my first listen, hey man, for 50 bucks, hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. These sound better than, I can tell you this, they sound better than the beats that Apple just came out with, and that's no cap, man. If you got, I'm gonna do a whole video talking about all of that, but just off of my initial impression, man, these things are, yeah, so far, they a definite go. But I also noticed if you are using this on a OnePlus device, you do get the option to be able to go in and do a lot of customization and different things like that. And now, speaking of customizations with these, now, if I'm using this, now for me, I'm using this on an iPhone, and I know a lot of you guys out there may have OnePlus devices and different things, or Android devices. Now, if you do have a OnePlus device, you will have the option to be able to go in and customize the tap functions of the actual buds themselves. For me, while using this on an iPhone, I only have the ability to skip to the next track. I do not have the option to be able to skip to the previous track. And I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of a bummer, because I feel like default wise should be either I can double tap to go to the next track, and then maybe on the left earbud, I can triple tap and it'll go to the previous track or something like that. So that is something that I wish would work on an Apple device or just any other Android device, but it does seem like if you have just the OnePlus device, then you do get the option to be able to go in and customize those settings. So, but yeah, overall, man, I gotta say, just from my initial impression with these, I do feel like the case is really good. I do like the sleek look of the case, very similar to something, like I said, of the Galaxy Buds Plus that you guys are seeing right here in regards to quality. Which those you guys already know I'm a fan of those. And then on top of that, I do feel like the fit is good. The earbuds, they are light, which is also can be looked at as a plus, and also be looked at as a negative. And we're gonna talk about that a little later as I get more testing in with these. But overall, man, I gotta say, I am kind of impressed with the OnePlus Buds Z. It's giving me the vibes of the wireless Z that I had here on the channel. And I'm going to be putting those side by side because price-wise, those are all kind of around the same price. So those pretty much going to go down to sound quality in regards to those. And, you know, we're going to put these to the test. But overall, guys, man, that is the OnePlus Buds Z. Definitely make sure you guys hit the like button down below. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. And click on the video right here. And I'll see y'all over there. Peace. Because I'm telling y'all right now, these are definitely getting added to the collection. No question.
We got OnePlus Buds Z in house. Listening to my music is blaring. Know what I'm talking about. 20 hours music play back. Yep, I just said that. About to unbox first impressions. Let's have a chit chat. See, charge me up 10 minutes. Ready, let's go. Getting AirPods vibes, Galaxy Buds on the low. Yep, I see. Now you've been waiting for this now and it's here, man. Let's get into this video. See, squad, the coast is clear. Squad.
Yo, why you still here? Yo, fam, click on the video, bro. Yo, why you still here? Yo, fam, click on the video, bro.